Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to middle align your table header text on your Google Sheets document. Now you can see that I have a little table here, right? And these texts here are at the top there are like my header text, right? Or my column header text. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and stretch out these different header here. So let me go into the left hand side on the one and just kind of hover and drag this down. And you can see right here that the text is at the bottom, right? So what if I want to put this text in the middle and I also want to center it? So this is a also good tutorial showing you how to align your text as well. Right, so all you have to do, guys, is just highlight the first row here, right? And once you highlight the first row or those texts that you want, that could be for a single cell or the entire top, whichever one you choose. Let me go ahead and choose the entire row here. And just go ahead and click on format at the top here. And here you have alignment. Now, if you look down in the list, you have those normal center and so forth, right? So we're going to click on center, for example, as the first one. And you can see that it is no center there. But what if we want to put it in the middle? Go to the alignment and here you have middle. And what this is going to do now is put the text in the middle. So have a look at that. You can see now that my title is now centered and also it's now in the middle. And you can do that for whatever text, whatever table. I know my table doesn't look so amazing right now, but from your designs, you will see that you can put it like that. And afterwards, you can always adjust certain things if you so desire, like this, as I'm doing there. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. How to align or how to middle align your title text in Google Sheets. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.